Welcome, in front of me I have SONY Xperia C5, and today I will show you how you can remove SIM pin from your SIM card and also how you can lock your SIM card with the SIM pin. So at the first you have to open the settings. Next, scroll down and go for the lock screen and the security. And when you are here, let's go for setup SIM card lock. And right now just go for your SIM card. In my case I have SIM and the slot first. And then if you want to remove PIN code, you have to tap on the switcher and the lock SIM card option. Input your currently PIN code. And right now PIN code will be not required. If you want to set up new PIN code, just tap on it another time and input it just like that. Click OK. And as you can see, it's very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.